the light, of course. Yeah, he's definitely getting away. That sounded kind of threatening. I revved it for that little kid sticking his hand out the window. But every time I do stuff like that, I feel like there's people like in the cars in front of me that obviously wouldn't see the kid, so they think I'm just doing that because I think it's cool or whatever, and then they think I'm a douchebag. Yeah, at this point I have to be on like 140 for a while to catch that guy on whatever bike he was on. That's not happening. There's another Supra. There's a C8. So my whole time on that side of the highway going this way, I see nice cars going this way. So I thought, okay, maybe there's a show or something down here that I don't know about. Then I turn around, start coming this way, and now they're all going that way. I'm sick of it. Matte blue wrapped Tesla. I probably should have been focusing on the road and not the cars. Whoops. I was in 6th gear coming up on a red light. That's my bad. This dude's a douchebag. Look at that. Hopefully he sees it. He was way too close behind me at the one red light back there. We just watched him swerve through the cars. He's doing that all while eating. Fuck that guy, dude. I take it he didn't see my middle finger. I was gonna just do what he did to keep following him, but I didn't want to cut anybody off. And now he's tailgating a Mustang. What a prick. Oh, that's awesome. So I looked down. I thought my gas light was on. It is my check engine light. And it's back off. Oh, dude, I was about to... The one bike I have left right now. The check engine light comes on. I was gonna... This is the only thing keeping me sane right now. Why it came on though. I'm still concerned because like that's never happened. I'm glad it went back off, but still, why did it come on in the first place? And it's back on. Awesome. And back off again. So it seems like every time I come to a stop, it comes back on. But then after I ride for like 10 seconds, it goes back off. Why? So I'm about to lose. is the one thing I have left. Well, that just, I was gonna say ruined my day. It's not like I was having a good one to begin with, so I guess just added to it, or gave me another reason. I'll have to figure something out about it, I guess.